We've got a bit of a fancy dinner today with griddled lamb cutlets and coriander pesto. And I'm going to spice up my coriander pesto a little bit by adding in a couple of jalapenos. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with that pesto. To a small food processor, add 50 grams or 1 3/4 ounces of fresh coriander leaves. We're also going to add in 2 sliced jalapeno chilies, 2 peeled cloves of garlic, the zest and juice of half a lime, three tablespoons of pine nuts, 30 grams or 1/3 cup of freshly grated parmesan, 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper and Maldon salt, and 90 ml or 1/3 cup of olive oil. And now we're going to blitz that all together for about 10 seconds until we get the consistency of your liking. Then taste the pesto and add a little bit more salt if needed. Then pour it into a jar. So that's the pesto done. Now we're going to start on those lamb cutlets. So I've got 12 lamb cutlets here. That should be enough to serve 4. And I'm going to drizzle over 4 tablespoons of oil and then sprinkle on 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, 2 teaspoons each of dried oregano and paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Rub the oil and spices into the lamb so they're thoroughly coated. Now I want to heat a griddle pan over a high heat until hot. And then place those lamb cutlets on the griddle and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes each side until well browned. I've got a smaller pan here, so I'm working in 2 batches. You can keep the first batch warm by placing on a tray and placing in a warm oven whilst you cook the second batch. Once all of those lamb cutlets are cooked, we're going to cover with some foil and a tea towel and allow them to rest for a few minutes just to make sure they're extra juicy. And then I'm transferring to a serving plate and drizzling over that lovely coriander pesto. Juicy griddled lamb and that lovely spicy coriander pesto are a match made in heaven. I love to serve this up with some buttered herb new potatoes and some peas as well. Really hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Just gonna steal this tiny one. Oh, so good and juicy.